Hey, what's up everyone, this is Adrika Badari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in my last video I gave you a question in which you have to sort negative values, positive values and zeros from the list. Okay? And for negative and positive values syntax should be like this, and for zero you have to pass the number of zeros in the list. So let's just copy this list only, and here in our solution6.py let's paste it. Okay, now first we will use for loop for I and L. Now we will use condition. If I is less than 0, that means it is negative. So now here let's make two lists, and let's make an empty list and P. So N is negative, P is positive. Okay, so if it is less than 0, so what will it do? It will append N dot append I. So this value will be appended to N list. Okay, now elif, we will use elif here. I is greater than 0, then it is a positive value, so P dot append I. Okay, now we could have used else here. Why haven't we used else here? Because if I is less than 0, then it will append to N. Else, what will it do? Else, if I is equal to or greater than 0, so the ones which is equal to 0 means zeros will also get appended to our positive list. So we have used elif here so that we can put our condition. If it is greater than 0, then only it will append in P list. Okay, now here wait, here we will make a variable count 0. Okay, now here we will write L dot count 0. Okay, now here we will print here we will use f strings. I hope you remember f strings. So negative and then we will write here something like this and then N. Let's just copy it, paste it here, positive, here we will write P. That's our this list. Okay, now here we will print f string 0, and here we will write like this, and here we will write count 0. Okay, now let's run our program. See, if we see, you can see -12, -78, -1 and 100. Here 34, 43, 6, 86 and 56, and 0 is 3. The format is just same as this format, right? And here we did count 0, right? If you want, you can write it like this also. Let's just cut it and paste it here. Wait a second. Okay, now let's remove it. See, it's still the same answer. So by writing like this, you can save some memory because you haven't made a variable, an extra variable, right? So right, this is the solution of this question. Hope it's clear to you, but if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.